Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to enable or disable tap present to call on iPhone iOS 26. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the settings app. Now you want to scroll down until you get to apps and click on it. Scroll down and then select the phone app. Now scroll down until you get to tap present to call. Turn this on to enable it and then turn this off to disable it. Once you turn on tap present to call, this will help you to put a call through. Once you click on present and then you click on the number and it's going to put the call through straight. And if you toggle off tap present to call and I want to put a call through and you click on present, it will give you a menu like this so that you can just go ahead and select whether to call or not. So that is exactly how to enable or disable tap present to call on iPhone iOS 26. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.